Lately, I've been doing a lot of thinking. I've had that itch to get a brand new camera, and if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I've been using my iPhone to record all my videos. But I wanted to try and take that next step. I didn't know whether I wanted to get something like a mirrorless camera or something else strictly for video while also being on a budget. Well, I finally made my decision and let's see if I can manifest it here. Oh, it actually worked. As you can see, I made the decision to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the Creator Combo. I figured for my needs, this would be the best option to help add to my videos while freeing up my iPhone. There's lots that I can learn from this little camera, like color grading for example. But anyway, enough talk. I know how much you guys like unboxing, so let's check it out. Alright, so here we are outside testing out the Osmo Pocket 3. We are visiting Sheffield Conservation Area, which is a little bit nostalgic for me because the last time that I actually came here was 2 years ago when I first got my iPhone 12, and I was testing that out with the DJI OM4. So it should be really good. I'm actually here with Sam. I don't know if she wants to be in the screen. You can see her right there. Hey! So let's center it back. So everything right now is going to be set to program auto because, like I said earlier, I don't really know how to color grade yet. So this will just show the capabilities for any normal person trying to use this who wants to go out and just point and shoot, and they should be good. Right now with the mics that you're hearing, it's just the internal microphones on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I do have my my DJI mic 2 with me too, but I'll switch to that later on in the video. But this is just to give you that example. So, hey, enough talk. Let's hit the trail. So this is the great thing about this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So especially for solo content creators, you know, like myself, I do the majority of my stuff all by myself, so something like this is perfect. So you can enable it to have tracking. So I set it down on its tripod, and I'm actually making sure that I'm in frame with the DJI Mimo app. And right now, if you haven't noticed already, I'm using the mic 2 for the audio. But it's just great because you set it down, you can talk, you can film what you need to film, and you don't need that extra camera person with you anymore. It just follows you wherever you'd like, and it keeps you in frame. It's so cool. So the one thing too with this creator combo is that it actually comes with this little wide angle lens. So if you are planning to vlog a lot with this camera, I'll show you the difference. So this is what it's like without the wide angle lens, and then when you place it on, the good thing is this is magnetic, and yeah, you kind of see more in the background over here, whereas if I were to take it off, oh yeah. Yeah, that's cool. A nice little accessory that it comes with. And I don't know if you can get it separate, but it again comes with the creator combo. So we have made it to the end of the trail, and just like always, this trail is absolutely beautiful. If I can turn this around, just have a look at the view. Just breathtaking, really. As for the camera itself, I honestly have no complaints about it so far. Everything about it is very easy to use. Of course, there's a whole bunch of different modes that I have to test out, but I'm gonna try and work on that for a review on this unit. But everything that I've taken so far looks really good on the screen. As for battery life, with the constant, so we've been out here for 2 hours now. We've walked around 4.7 kilometers, and so far with the constant turning the camera off and on, connecting it with the microphone, disconnecting it and trying out different modes and all that, we have reached 49%. So honestly, that's not too bad. But I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't want this video to be too long. But yes, I'm gonna try and work on a review on this unit, so stay tuned for that. Apart from that, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and slap that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comment box down below. If you want to keep seeing more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. That's it for me, guys. As always, I'll catch you in the next video.